Okay, welcome back. This is the 9th video. Actually, this is going to be a two-part video. This video is going to be about the PEAR PHP extension application repository video tutorial number 9, which is brought to you by Imagination Everywhere and RIA Institute, and I am Amin Mojara. Excuse me. And what we're going to be demonstrating today is how to load all of the structured DataGrid Datasource drivers and data render drivers at one time. Now, I've had problems with this, and I'm mainly doing this as a demonstration to PEAR, so they can tell me what I'm doing wrong. So I already have PEAR installed in the command prompt. We can look at it here. We have it stored. We can type in PEAR and we'll see all the command prompts, and we'll go ahead and load the structures data grid. We'll go ahead and load that. So let's go ahead and actually let's go to the installation, and this is the page that shows you how to load it, and tells you that you can load them all. So let's go ahead and load the structures data grid, and we have to use this particular load method right here with the beta on top and the O right there. Copy, paste, and install. Now you can see down here, structures data grid. To install additional features, use PEAR install PEAR structures data grid with the hash mark and then the feature name, right? So if we go ahead and do that, if we go PEAR install PEAR structures data grid, put in the hash mark, and then if we go back here, it says right here we could it is possible to install data source drivers or renderer drivers at once. The following two commands will install structured data grid and either all data source or all renderer drivers at once. So if we do that and we put on the end of that hash data sources, this is what happens. Nothing. We get the. Let me put this to fit the screen. If we get the feedback saying that the structures data grid CSV within preferred state stable, latest release is version 0.2 0.1.6 stability beta, use channel PEAR.php.net structures data grid data source CSV to install, and it says that for all of them. So I have to find out what I am doing wrong, because obviously, you know, this is not working. Even if we just do it like this, PEAR install, we get the same result. Now it says that we might have to install the NDB2 data source. Won't be installed unless you have the NDB2 installed. So let's go back to that. And let's install the this particular driver right here. Okay, that's installed. If we go back to the data grid, and if we go back to documentation and installation, the same for the Excel renderer. If you don't have the spreadsheet Excel writer installed, that won't install. But still, let's still try to install the PEAR install Oh, I didn't mean to install. I didn't mean to uninstall the DataGrid. Let me go back and install it. I typed in the wrong one. So let me go back and install the structured DataGrid. I'm sorry. Okay. So let's go back and install. And as you can see, it still didn't install it. So we're gonna do a part 2 of this video and find out why this didn't work, but we're gonna work around this. So I look forward to seeing you in part 2 of this video of installing all the packages all at once. Alrighty.